Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419. We wanted to take you on a vault tour. So as we go into the vault, something to keep in mind that this is a really cool room. It's a showroom. People see a lot of things in there. They ooh and ah over, but this is an actively used working room here in the shop. Almost every day, somebody's in here reloading or tearing down or building a rifle or mounting something up or test fitting something. So while it's really clean and really organized in here right now, good job, Nathan, it is typically a pretty active work environment. But we're gonna go around the room in this direction and show you everything that we have in here. And if you got any questions about something we have that we didn't explain, drop a question in the comments or head over to our Patreon channel where we can answer anything you wanna know and even show you little clips of things that we haven't shown you here. As we move around, you're gonna notice a lot of rifles in this room. Virtually everything in here is either something that we dub a shop rifle, so a testing rifle, or it's something that belongs to one of the people in the shop. We've got a nice handful of rifles. Some of these are set up for some team matches that we've been recently shooting with some kit. As we move around, we've got a corner of tripods, spotting scope, a bunch of brass from Alpha that as we work through. These are match flags from various matches that we've shot or sponsored. We've got our component storage bay. So this is a lot of powder, projectiles, primers. We've also got other tools here, optics, various things that we've used over time that are no longer actively in service in this room. As we continue to move past, you're going to see another wall basically of rifles. These are, again, largely shop rifles, or they belong to individuals in the shop. Some of these are either in process builds that are going out to people or things that you may see listed online soon. Got some gear lockers that belong to different people that shoot, and a lot of these are now anymore shared items where we've got multiple people that are hanging their bags, hanging their gear, storing different things that they have for match preparedness, as well as this cabinet, which is a lot more match preparedness. We've got packs, shooting bags, gear belts, optics, different bipods, loaners, goods, magazines. We have a lot of people in the shop that shoot. So we want to make sure that anytime somebody's going to shoot, especially if it's in a discipline that they may not typically shoot, we've got loaner gear to get them in that quickly and without a ton of expense. The heart of the room is our center block. We've got an orange vise with all of our kitting on it, as well as a bunch of tools for working on rifles. We've got reloading products, dies, we've got projectiles. On the other side, we've got ammo, a lot of disparate items that are fairly organized that allow us to have a lot of product in the room in an organized way, because we do a lot of strange things in here, a lot of things that might not fit inside a nice, clean, let's reload dasher type mold. As we get to this side, this is our reloading bench. Kind of from left to right, I'll take you through. We've got powder measuring and case management up top. We've obviously got 2 zeros that we use. This is actually one of the Special Forces Charitable Trust presses. We didn't expect it when we did it, but when we posted it, John busted out his wallet, got online, and personally bought one because he wanted to keep one in the shop while still making that additional contribution to the charity. We've got a Primal Rights cedar. We've got a couple case preps. We've got a cheap Frankfurt that we use for some things, but the Gerard is the one that really gets the use. An amp, a Dillon that is right now set up only to decap. Underneath, we've got a bunch of storage of various bulk ammo. We've got some more shooting packs. We've got brasses in various stage of prep or reload. Up high, you'll see some cool things like different buddies that have been on different deployments that have maybe sent us some flags. Shout out Shane. Trophies from different matches that we've shot. But guys, I think that's the whole room. So if you have any questions, like we said, about things that are in this room, drop them in the comments or head over to our Patreon channel where we'll follow this up after we see some of the questions with more in-depth about some of the things we may find.